Assalamualaikum everyone. Today our video class is on mathematics, lesson 4, additions up to 50. In the previous chapter we have studied about ascending, descending order, greater, lesser number, symbols, greater, lesser, equal to symbols. This all we studied in the previous chapter. Today we are going to study additions up to 50. So here I am going to say what is addition. Suppose you are having 5 rupees and your brother is having 2 rupees. So I am going to ask what is the total amount both are having. So what you are going to do? You are having 5 rupees, your brother is having 2 rupees. So what is the total amount both of you all are having? दोनों के पैसे मिला के कितने होते हैं? So what you are going to do? So in order to count these two money, what we are doing? We are using a symbol. What is that symbol? That is the symbol called plus. The symbol which we are using to add these two numbers, we call that as a plus symbol. This symbol is called as plus. So here we are at 5 plus 2. So what we are doing here? We are doing addition. We are adding 5 and 2. Is it clear? Addition is nothing but what you can say, doing the total of the two numbers or two objects. Two or more objects too, but in present class we will take only 2. So adding the two numbers. Addition is nothing but taking the sum of the 2 is called as addition. So now 5 rupees plus 2 rupees. You are having 5 rupees. Is it clear? And your brother is having 2. So what you will do? You have to count this all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 2. 1, 2. So count this all lines now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So what is the total? 7. This is the addition. Addition is nothing but the process of finding the total or the sum of two or more numbers. Finding the sum of total of two or more numbers. Is called addition. So before going to numbers, I'll take some objects. What are these? These are balls. How many balls are these? So now I want to count. One of the boy is having 3 balls and the other boy is having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 balls. Now total how many balls are they? So what you have to do if you want to count all the balls, what we have to do? You have to do addition. You have to add in order to get the sum or the answer. So what is the symbol we are using here to add? What is the symbol called? Plus. Now after keeping the plus symbol, now you start counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So total one person is having 3 balls, the other person is having 5. So what you have to do? Count this 3 and this 5. This all balls you count. So totally you can keep. So these all balls I kept at one place. I joined these all balls and kept it together here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. These are the things which I showed you in objects. Now how many balls are there? 1, 2, 3. So now I am keeping the number for that. 3 balls. Then the symbol plus. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. So what is the answer we got here is C. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. What is the answer we got? A. So these are the additions in the form of objects. If objects are given, you have to add. These are 3 balls, keep 3, or you can count this and count these balls and keep the number. And the answer here again, count all these balls and keep the number. This is 3 plus 5 is equals to 8. In the number form, 3 plus 5 is equals to 8. So this is in the form of objects or in the form of numbers. Now I will show you few more examples. 4 plus 2. So how we are going to add? So what is this number? 4. So what you do? Either take 4 fingers or you keep 4 circles if you want, or if you want keep 4 lines. Is it clear? Then you are having 2. Next number is 2. Keep 2 circles or 2 lines. Then what you have to do? Count this all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What is the total we got? 6. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Which is easy for you, either to keep circles or lines, whichever you want, you keep that, do the addition, and after that you try to erase the circles or lines whatever you have kept. Is it clear? In this way you have to do the addition. 6 plus 0. So what now? 0 is not having any value. Here 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 0 means nothing. So how many lines we got? 6 lines. So what will be my answer? 0 is not having any value. So the number will be same. The first number, that is 6. Is it clear? Either 0 is here or either 0 is here. Third one. 0 plus 2. The same answer. 0 is nothing. Here we are having 2 lines. 1, 2. The answer is 2. Whenever we get 0 in the second place or in the first place, the answer will be number itself. Is it clear? Now one more thing I will show you. Now, here I am having 2 apples and 1 apple. Is it clear? So total what will be that? 1, 2, 3. So total apples are 3. This is 1 apple, 2 plus 1 is equals to 3. This is one form of addition. Now what I am going to do? I am keeping here 1 apple and the second I am going to take 2 apples. Is it clear? So what will be my answer? 1, 2, 3. So remember one thing. In addition, if you are going to change the order, here it is 2 plus 1 and here it is 1 plus 2. Is it clear? Either if you take 1, 2 plus 1, the answer is 1, 2, 3. If I take 1 plus 2, 1, 2, 3, the answer is 3. Answer does not change. Answer will be the same. If you are changing the order, 2 plus 1 or 1 plus 2. Remember one thing, if you are changing 2 plus 1 means we get 3. If you are writing 1 plus 2, answer is 3. Answer does not change if you are bringing this number here and this number here. Is it clear? Remember that one thing, if we change the order, the sum, that is the total, will be the same in addition. So this is the way I gave you few examples how we have to do the additions. Either by keeping circles or by keeping lines, add it and write the total. Is it clear, children? If you get in the form of objects, you have to write the number here and do it. Or if you get the number in this form too, it is very easy to add, counting, keeping the lines and doing the counting and keeping the total. So if we change the order number while adding, the sum does not change. The answer always remains the same. That is what we have studied. So I hope you all have understood how to add. Is it clear, children? Okay, thank you.